Hey guys, this is Ishita here and you're watching Tech with Issue. So guys, if you are using Samsung and want to hide an app easily without letting others know that you have concealed an app, then this video is for you. Without wasting time, let's get started. Click on apps and then click on the three dots on the top right hand. Now click on settings. Here you will find an option of hide apps. Click on it and hide any app of your choice. Let's hide camera and click on apply. When you will return back to the home screen, you won't find camera anywhere. So what you need to do, go to YouTube and search for Tech with Issue. Guess what? You find my channel. Click on it. What are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon. Sorry, was just kidding. To unhide the app again, you need to repeat the same process. Click on the three dots, then on settings, and then on hide apps. Just uncheck the camera app and then click on apply. That's it. The camera is again back on our home screen. Wasn't it interesting? If you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have any query or suggestion, you can comment me down below. Thank you.